Every single bite already has a puppy's name written on it. Wow, look at them. So cute, so adorable, right? Wow, they look like little walking cotton balls. 10 puppies, 2 moms. But hate? Not at all. Both moms love all the puppies equally. This is real love. No hate, only pure affection. If you enjoyed these tiny puppies, don't forget to like and follow our channel to watch more videos like this. Thank you. Muy aparte.